road trip. Let's get moving.
Are we there yet?
Oh gosh, here we go. Already.
Some railway bridges here. That's the only thing of interest. There's one. There's another. The two together.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Two.
Do I know how lovely? Meow.
Frodo there. Sounds like a character from Lord of the Rings.
It's been there a long time, that place. You see the minis? How cute are they?
There's the popular supermarket Aldi. Oh, they've knocked that pub down, haven't they?
Yeah, I think they're doing a petrol station.
Good. So do right here.
Yep. And here.
Oh, there's the minis.
Look. Very little cuties. Yay. And here we can see the half marathon. We just managed to tail behind in Buxton. How fab. I haven't got that sort of energy, but it's a nice day to do it. It's not too hot, so I think it'll work out quite well for them.
Because I did used to do a lot of running and my knees are now paying the price.
Yeah.
Awful.
I don't think I'd have managed anywhere near a half marathon when I did it, but yeah, there you
We
go.
have offered to give any strugglers a lift.
Yeah.
These people running, Bob. Show Bob. Yes, we have got the Bob. So our speed is 3 miles an hour.
It's not as big as this.
It's a whole tip for the year, right?
All the way up the road. Sugar.
Marvellous.
Lovely craggy rocks over there though. Oh.
Yeah. You can see even better. It's like,
Lovely view. We have some lovely countryside there, don't we?
do indeed.
That's for cleaning the windows.
Flags.
Oh, that was cute. Let's see what view we've got over the hill.
That's you.
Yeah, it is actually.
So there's your craggy rocks.
Take you on our trip with us.
So this is the Foxfield Railway. There's Pauline admiring the pacer. I'm talking to a camera, love. I'm just saying you're admiring the pacer there. And what the heck's that behind it? Should we have a look? That's a chunky one, isn't it? So we're going to take a closer look. It's obviously not run for some time.
No.
How cool is that? What's that, Bob? Bloodstone, yeah. I like that.
Looks like it's been there a while.
Yes. Well, it's a damn sight nicer than that horrible thing there.
You really don't like it, do you?
Well, I've only been on one once and it smelled of sick.
Oh.
So that puts you off. I know they did a job and they kept the railways going and they were cheap, but I can't see us buying one.
Okay, fair enough.
No matter how much of a bargain it was. Not in that colour anyway. It looks like a 1992 shell suit, doesn't it?
Yeah, funny purple as well.
Ah, there we go. Oh, look behind there. There's a real little cutie there, look.
Alright.
The end.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Cool. I'd like one of those.
Would you?
Yeah. What if anybody does a model one? And we have, look at those there. They remind me of those tiny little ones Hornby do with a wagon on the back.
Oh yes.
Well, these might be even bigger.
Yes.
Right, I've got the tickets.
Good pie piece.
Yes, it's always good. Let's have a quick wander around here first. There's a booking office. So is that here? There's a mine nearby, isn't there?
Yes, yes there is. Just let me loose again with the camera. Let's see what's in here. Foxfield shop.
No, I asked him about.
I know.
You going a bit bearded.
Hey.
A bit bearded.
I know. Oh, yeah.
Where are you? Down there?
Little cutie, but very fast.
Yeah, we've got one different colour though.
Yeah, well, I think it's
Ours is blue.
looked like it was going when he's talking to somebody else by the just outside.
Great Western ones, aren't they?
Oh, and he's still shocking and stuff.
Old track, look. Foxy says, our engines are very old and grumpy. They don't like being climbed on, or touched, or prodded. I know how they feel. Within reason. So we got a saddle tank, Moss Bay. It's a big one, isn't it?
It is.
Two. Yeah, it's a number 2 is the largest and only mainline loco in our museum, and the only surviving North Staffordshire Railway steam loco. When they found it.
Oh my god.
Isn't it there?
created for nothing, hasn't it?
That one is, yeah. Number 23. Keep an eye out for that one. She gone. Oh, look. You've been wanting to go on these for ages, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well, there's number 23, look.
I don't know what seats are on, but...
It says on them, on the email.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have another look.
We're happy to go on these.
Yeah.
There's no cushions.
Definitely do. If I've ever seen one.
Hi, you alright?
It's a tiny one, isn't it? Wow, that is really small. Look at the name's bigger than the loco. Marston, Thompson and Evershed. It's very clean, isn't
That's what
it?
it's all about though, isn't it? This is where
I mean,
our love comes from.
yeah, but if you look at the size of the buffers to the actual loco, it gives you an idea of how small it is, doesn't it? Right, so where's it going? Oh, here we go, food. Thank you. Where'd you go?
Not much fit there though, is there? He's done a fabulous job.
Can I help you, sir?
No, he's after more treats and he's not getting any more. No, you've had some now. I'll tide you over for a bit. You can have some later. I know. Such a hard life.
Don't hear anything. Truck was down now. Scenic down to some, isn't it? You can actually see out
Okay, so we can get out.
Enjoy your journey. Bob?
Yes.
I think Bob enjoyed it.
No, I'm going down.
They could burn it in the loco.
No, you can cook it into the undergrowth. It's going to decompose, but it's not ideal, is it?
No.
Sit with it on the train.
Look at this, see all this lot. Unusual colour, isn't it?
It's a job for this next one. Must be a little nick in the glass.
Right.
And it started off with a little crack.
All aboard. How did you find the four-wheel coaches?
Hard. But
That's-
no, they're lovely.
Yeah, not as cute as you thought.
Beautifully made.
This proper old school milk churn here, look.
I know.
Say bye-bye, Bob. He's not bothered, is he?
No.
See that green tanker there?
Yeah.
We looked for one of those for ages. The mainline one. You know, the green one. So we found one, then we started finding them all the time. And we found the real one now. Got Foxfield Cheadle staffs. That thing there. What's behind? Nice little LMS van behind there, look.
Oh, yeah. Didn't spot that before.
No, there's quite a lot hidden up there we can't see. think he's unsure which way to go.
Yeah, which train's going in which order. Let's change the signals.
I couldn't help.
So you've changed the signal to in your time then?
I have, yes. Those flatbeds there with all the old sleepers on.
That must weigh some. I mean, it's heavy
Crane
enough as
behind
it
there.
is.
And that thing, it's even smaller down here.
I know.
I don't think that's the original door, but look, you see the electric pantograph on top.
Yeah. That's lovely, that.
What the hell is it? Let us know in the comments if we ever put this on YouTube. We'll do bits of it. I mean, look at the size of the wagon behind it. It's massive, doesn't it?
It's bigger, doesn't it?
He's gone. I do like those green tankers. You see so many little ones, then you see the real one. It shows you how accurate the models are, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to get that back up and running. A lick of paint. But as for that,
Looks hidden under there.
yeah, we did see them before. Nice clock. What's it say on it? The Cleveland Bridge Engineering Co. That is tiny, isn't it?
Isn't it?
How close the wheels are together.
Exactly.